Happy Halloween! My name is Dr. Melissa Carr, and I'm a doctor of traditional Chinese medicine in Vancouver, BC. I thought I would take Halloween as an opportunity to talk with you about how acupuncture and traditional Chinese medicine are not scary. So while many people are a little bit afraid of the idea, particularly of acupuncture and the idea of needles, acupuncture doesn't need to be scary. In fact, it's quite comfortable, and most of my patients fall asleep on the table. The reason for that is the needles are very thin and very smooth, so they're quite comfortable to receive. And we also have different styles of acupuncture we can choose from. So if I have a patient who's quite sensitive, I might use a facial needle on their body. It's even smoother, even thinner. Or I might choose a press needle. A press needle is a sticker that in the case of this one, it's only 0.3 millimeters long. And so the sticker with the needle, 0.3 millimeters long, is applied to the acupuncture point. And the trick to this is that you wear it for a few days to even up to a week. And it continuously applies a little bit of pressure, a stimulation to the acupuncture point, and you don't even have to notice it. So there's some acupuncture options. And then there's also cupping options too. So you may have seen people with circular marks that look like bruises on their body. They're not uncomfortable. They're not painful. They are, in the case of what I use silicone cups. You can get glass ones or pump ones, but I like the silicone ones. Come in different sizes, including larger than that one. But basically what we do is we can apply the cup to the tissue, and it applies a little bit of suction there. And instead of applying pressure to a tight muscle, it's going to stretch it by pulling a little bit of the tissue into the cup. And doing so, you're going to increase circulation. You're going to allow a little bit of relaxation of that tissue. And if we apply a little bit of oil or lotion, we can actually glide the cups along, and then it does have even more of a massage-like sensation. Other thing we might do is we might do ear seeds. So ear seeds are like this. So on my ear, I have a crystal. It's a Swarovski crystal in this case. But we might choose a plain one with a regular sticker with a little seed on there called Wangbu Luxin, or a magnet. So it's applying a little bit of pressure to a point on the ear, specifically chosen based off of an anatomical or body part, or a function. This one is called Shenmen, this point here. Shenmen translates as spirit gate, and it is useful for help calming the nervous system. So with that one, we have options of different styles. So if you want to see the Swarovski crystal ones, there are different colors that you can get. Oops. So we've got those colors, or we can choose a clear one. But you can also get a plain one without the Swarovski crystal too. If I have another patient who, it's suitable to do a Chinese herbal formula, I do have options of customized, or in this case, tableted formulas that are pre-made, or I might get to be a bit of a witch and choose to do a customized herbal formula in powder form, and you get to drink it. I may also recommend supplements, and certainly for many of my patients, I'll make dietary recommendations. So I hope this video is showing you that acupuncture and traditional Chinese medicine don't need to be scary. I do hope you've been able to find a little bit of spooky in your Halloween this year, but that doesn't need to be with your acupuncture treatment. If you have any questions at all, let me know. Thanks.